Welcome to the Space NK YouTube channel. I'm Lily, the colour specialist in our Sevenoaks store, and I'm here to show you some top tips to use the Victoria Beckham Contour Stylus. So I'm going to start by using the Contour Stylus. We are just literally going exactly where our cheekbones start. So you're going to get the hollow of your cheek and go all the way down just to where that goes in there. Do the same on the other side, and then either side of the forehead we're gonna do, then under the chin. Now with the Victoria Beckham contour technique, you go down the nose, either side. What's great about this contour stick, it's super creamy. It's literally like a crayon. You can barely feel it on your skin. So creamy, so blendable, and so thin, so you get that precision and her trademark of putting a V on the end of your nose. And then I'm gonna put a tiny bit on my cupid's bow just to make my lips look slightly fuller. And again, you can put a tiny bit underneath to make your bottom lip look fuller. And again, it's literally like a crayon. You can just apply it anywhere you want to bring some sculpture back in your face. You can use it. So now I'm going to use a brush. This literally disappears. You can use your fingers to do it. But as you can see, it's literally just disappearing. So blendable, so creamy. Unlike any other contour stick in the fact that there's no muddiness to it, the colours are super flattering. Just shading in, just takes a few strokes of the brush and it's gone. And I'm just gonna put a tiny bit on my jawline just to make sure that looks snatched. And again, no muddy lines, no 2016 zebra crossing lines going on here. It's a modern contour. Everything blended in, just beautifully highlighted. Again, down the nose, the B. Go slightly up into the brow just to make sure that there's no harsh lines, but honestly, there is no harsh lines with this stick anyway. It's buildable if you wanted to do something a little bit more sculpted, but it's just the perfect tool to create sculpture back in the face. But this just, you could use this, a bit of foundation drops, and you'd be good to go. Thank you for watching my makeup tutorial. I hope you found it useful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and please do share any questions in the comments section below.